To prevent nuclear accidents, sometimes you have to simulate them. A team from Oregon State University wanted to see what happens to the radioactive fuel inside a reactor during a loss of coolant accident. Using a custom-built mock reactor, they simulated a fuel element breaking under pressure, a process that takes only microseconds. To slow the explosion down for analysis, the team used two Phantom VEO 340L cameras. The footage revealed the growth of the plume mere moments after the breach, giving the team various points of analysis microseconds apart. These results can help make current nuclear reactors safer and more economical while inspiring new plant concepts. To learn more, download the case study.